Good afternoon, everybody. This is John C. coming to you today from Lockheed's Marina here in Topping, Virginia. Yeah, man, it's been a really busy week so far. I've gotten 5 APEX reservations for this week. I've already completed 2 of them, and I've got 3 left, and the week's not over yet. But I would like to point out there's a really nice feature on the driver app. And once you get these reservations, down in the bottom right-hand corner of the scheduled reservation, you'll see a little button for add to your calendar. So you push that, and then it automatically adds it to your calendar. You can set reminders in there for a set time and whatnot. And it really helps the driver manage your week, your month. So this is what I've been really waiting for, getting a number of reservations at the same time, so you can manage your week, like I said, or your month or whatever. It's been really handy to do that. And one of the ways, if you're not getting a lot of requests or reservations, I've been out there, like I'm at this marina right now. I'm going to put out some promo cards here when I'm done doing this video, and explain to the folks here how the app works, because in our area, not many people are familiar even with Uber and Lyft and how it works. So the more people you can talk to and get these points across to them, they're more likely to tell more people about it as well. And I've gotten repeat customers. I had one lady that's had used the service like maybe 6 times. Actually, I know she's made it 6 times, and she actually has another reservation in for tomorrow. So I highly recommend, if you don't have this driver app, the APEX driver app, please get it. Tell all your friends about it, all your driver friends, and anybody who's a potential rider. Tell everybody you give rides to about this app and how it works. Anyway, you all have a great day out there and stay safe. Bye-bye.